Solving a future problem today. This is my Glow WD group. We got together via Zoom call to discuss what problems there were that everyone was facing on a global level. As a group, we decided that we would look at the topic of global hunger. We broke our research up into 4 sections: food waste, pollution, accessibility to food, and food cycles. I was extremely curious as to how pollution could possibly link to global hunger. Therefore, this was the topic of research that I chose to go into. There are multiple ways that plastic could make it into our food system. Microplastics have already been found in our soil, tap water, bottled water, beer, and air samples. There are more than 330 million metric tons of plastic being produced each year. However, globally, only 14% is collected for recycling purposes. Therefore, it's inevitable to expect plastic particles to enter our food source. Climate change causes weather extremities, such as drought or oversaturated soil. This means that our agricultural grounds cannot hold to plant food anymore. With the loss of agricultural production, there's a lack of food resource, and this is how pollution leads to global hunger. Plastic bottles are one of the highest contributing factors towards pollution. Therefore, I decided to redesign the plastic bottle. Instead of using polyethylene or polypropylene, which are the most commonly used materials when creating plastic bottles, I decided to look into biodegradable materials. PLA is a vegetable-based plastic material. PLA is commonly made from cornstarch. PLA is also a fully biodegradable thermoplastic polymer. Therefore, after 80 days, it is completely biodegraded into the soil. This means that PLA does not contribute to pollution. I decided to use PLA for the body of my bottle. Now looking into the labels. Labels are also found to be one of the highest contributing factors to pollution. Therefore, I decided to redesign the label as well. By using a biodegradable material such as cardboard, I decided to integrate seeds into my labeling. In my label, there are test slots, which contains 3 seeds from each plant. Once the user is done using the bottle, they can remove the label and plant the label strip into their garden, or alternatively, they can plant it into our community greenhouse, which is part of our concept as a group. The users can also take the bottle and recycle it in the recycling machine, which is also a part of our concept. I have based the design of my bottle around the structure of our greenhouse and the structure of our system. The hexagonal shape is repeated consistently throughout our project. The top and bottom view of my bottle replicate the system floor plan for our supermarket. My bottle can be manufactured through injection blow molding as well as injection molding for the lid. The label can be laser cut so that the seed strips are easy to tear out of the label after use. This biodegradable bottle is the change that we need. Not only does it cause less pollution, but it also creates an alternative food source, allowing accessibility to food for those who need it.